Guys, so I want to talk to you real quick. First of all, I released my first collection. It's like, okay, I didn't launch it, but I released it, so it's out, and I hope you've seen that video. It's so smart, so clean. Like, it's one of the vlogs that I enjoy doing, and yeah, it includes a lot of things, and some of the collections, some of the attires that I included in my collection, my first collection ever. So however, I showed that in only Ankara or African prints, but I also have them in different materials. So if you need any, kindly don't hesitate to inbox me, comment, or find me on Instagram at shakmylove. So I'm working on a second collection and a few of designs that I'm willing or I'm hoping to include in my second collection, and I want it to be that glamorous. I want it to be nice and beautiful. I want it to be on trend, of course. I want to catch up with that trend. So this is like, I decided to include bucket caps. I decided to include bucket caps in the collection that I'm hoping to release. I think in late July. Yeah, I think late July or early August. Because I'm still working, I still have a lot to work on or to work with in my first collection. So I decided to include bucket caps, and I wanted to do a different style, something different but cute, of course. That's our aim here. So this is my first I was trying it on, and I decided to match it with a normal material and then the Ankara or African print, and then this is what I got. So I just wanted to show you one of the bucket caps. This is the first one, and this is mine actually, but I wanted it to be somehow different, somehow unique, and of course trendy and beautiful. So I decided to match it with this, and then hopefully I'm going to make a video or videos. I'll be filming and showing you behind the scene on how I create such caps, bucket caps. Then I'll be taking you through the cutting process and then the sewing process. So this is a reverse bucket cap. It is two-sided. I have this material, the normal material. I don't know how you call that, but yeah, I have this. And then when you turn it inside, I have this beautiful anchor. I think this is not the first time you're seeing this type of material on my channel, and I really love it so much. Only that expensive, you know that. But my products are not expensive, so you don't hesitate to come and support me. So this is how it looks like when you turn it inside out. Actually, they are both right sides, because you can wear it like this on this side, or you can just decide to turn it inside. So I went with this, it's something like cream, smart cream material, and then I decided to go with the light yellow threads on it to run. I ran 1 2 3 4 about 3 stitches, and just to match it. I didn't want it to be so different from the Ankara side of it. So this is my test, and I want you guys to tell me what you think about it. It's so gorgeous. Of course, I'm going to show it to you when I'm wearing it in a minute, but this is how it looks like. It's really cute. Let me show you this. You can decide to wear it on this side like this side, or you can even decide to wear it like that, and then you just fold a bit of it like that. You can also do that, or you can turn it inside. But look at that. I mean, when you're wearing it like this, you can also decide to do this, or you can just go with it like that. You see that? It's so cute, so cute. I swear guys, it's so cute. I hope you can see that. So besides my bucket cap, tell me what you think about it, and what kind of bucket caps you want me to do, and which kind of designs you think I'm going to include in my next collection. But it's going to be clean, it's going to be so glamorous. Just like the previous one, this is going to be another big deal. So guys, don't hesitate to come and support me. I also started making bonnets. These are head bonnets. We all know these are good at protecting our hair. Sorry guys, there was noise. So I was still telling you, I started making head bonnets. I hope you can hear me. There is noise outside, but I waited for so long, but it's not stopping. So I hope you can hear me well. I was still telling you, I started to make head bonnets. They are free. You can see them. Like look at it. Like look at this. So this is a reversible head bonnet. It's two-sided too, but look at this, the link, look at that. I mean, so if you're a lady, you all know that one of the most expensive things on ladies, or for ladies, it is hair, and maintaining it should be a key, because girl, you're not going to go and spend your 500,000 and then you just spare your hair in just 2 nights. So I started to make these satin head bonnets. They are specifically for protecting hair and then your skin. So I'm going to include pillowcases, satin pillowcases, just in case you decide to buy a bonnet. You can also order for pillowcases, satin pillowcases. So I've been making matching pillowcases in different colors, but satin. Trust me, the quality of the material is assured. You know that, you know me. Those who have purchased my goods or my products, you know I care about the products, like the quality, not the quantity, but I care about the quality of my products. That's why you're not seeing me doing each and everything each and every day. I'm not doing different things, because I want to keep my things at a high quality. So this is a bonnet, and they are available in blue, green, pink, baby pink. They are available in pink, just like this flower. You can find them in black and red. You can any color you want. I just make for you. So yeah, if you want to know more about the head bonnet, so I made this because some people, they have dreadlocks and then that too much hair on their head. So they find it, people complaining about the round shaped bonnets, and then I decided to include this. You see that? So it can cater for your hair. Don't care about the volume of the hair, of the dreadlocks you have or ropes you have. It's going to accommodate your hair, any volume. And then I'm also thinking of increasing on the size of the round bonnets, because they really look cute. And then I also have something about the bonnets. So I'm making this type of bonnets, like with these gathers, and then I'm also planning on making bonnets with how is it called? So I'm also planning on making this one that you can just tie. I will show you in the video, in the coming videos soon. I'll be showing you how to make bonnets, how to cut them, measurements, and then how to sew them. Different bonnets, just wait on those. Like, I'll be showing you videos on different tutorials on different bonnets, different kind of bonnets, and then how you sew it, how you cut them, how the measurements and all that. Likewise to my bucket caps, I'm going to be showing you everything. Forgive me guys, I'm not giving you a lot of fashion content because I'm so busy, I'm so fixed, and I started making makeup too. I started doing makeup too. If you watched my previous video, you're going to see that kind of makeup, close to that kind of makeup, but that I want my glam or my brand to have, because I'm more of a neutral girl, and you know less is more. So if you watched that video, I'm sure you appreciated the makeup, the outcomes of the results and all that. Remember, we did just a few things. No blondes, no bronzers, no highlighting. Okay, a few things that I used to get that look, but hey, everyone is obsessed. So yeah, I'll be taking you through everything. Forgive me about delaying, but I'm so fixed, guys. So I started doing makeup too. You can watch my videos, previous videos, to see the makeup, to see the behind the scene, the scene of my photo shoot for my first collection ever. I'm so excited. Every attire you see there is available in medium, small, large, extra large, and in different colors and in different materials. So guys, I'm going to show you how you wear these bonnets, and then how you wear this bucket cap, and then I say good night, good morning, good evening to you everyone. But hey, don't forget to subscribe if you're new here. Thank you for stopping by. Kindly subscribe, join the family. You wouldn't want to miss this beautiful face with this beautiful content here. So we create content about fashion and design, sewing. You learn how to sew from here. We do tutorials, a lot of tutorials on fashion. We do styling, we do makeup and makeup tutorials, and I also create content about lifestyle and growing up, leveling up, whatever you call it. So if you're interested in the above mentioned, kindly don't make it your last time to watch this beautiful channel with this beautiful face by joining the family. Leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this, and then I'll get back to you later. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because it really helps in pushing my videos to a wider population. Otherwise, I love you guys. Bye.
Play dead and I stay dead. Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Seen it right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.